The Willowbrook Hepatitis Study, a dark chapter in medical research ethics. In the 1950s and 60s, in the heart of New York, a medical experiment was conducted on children that would later be called one of the most unethical studies in modern history. This is the story of the Willowbrook Hepatitis Study, where vulnerable children were deliberately infected with a deadly virus. In the name of science. Willowbrook State School was an institution for children with intellectual disabilities, located on Staten Island, New York. It housed more than 6,000 children, most from poor families, many abandoned, and living in overcrowded, unhygienic conditions. Hepatitis was spreading rapidly inside the institution. The study was led by Dr. Saul Krugman, Dr. Robert McCollum, funded by the New York State Department of Mental Hygiene. Conducted between 1956 and 1970, their aim was to understand different types of hepatitis, later known as hepatitis A and hepatitis B. Here is the most shocking part. Children were deliberately infected with hepatitis by feeding them chocolate milk mixed with the stool of infected patients, later by injecting them with live hepatitis virus. Doctors wanted to observe the disease progression and test potential vaccines. These children were not sick before, they were made sick intentionally. The victims were children with intellectual and developmental disabilities. Many were between 3 to 10 years old. They had no voice, no understanding, and no power to refuse. They trusted the system meant to protect them, and that trust was betrayed. Parents were told, "Your child will receive special treatment only if enrolled in the study." In reality, admission to the institution was denied unless parents signed consent forms. Parents were not clearly informed that their child would be deliberately infected. This is called coerced consent, which is unethical and illegal today. The scandal came to light through Senator Robert F. Kennedy, who inspected Willowbrook in 1965 and called it a snake pit. Investigative journalists including Geraldo Rivera, whose 1972 TV exposed Willowbrook, the last great disgrace, shocked America. The public outrage led to the closure of Willowbrook. The Willowbrook tragedy directly led to creation of institutional review boards, IRBs, stronger laws on informed consent, the modern framework for human subject protection. Willowbrook is not just history, it is a warning. Science without ethics is not progress. It is cruelty.